Welcome back, everyone. We are looking at Zcash on a weekly time frame, and I just pulled out our fib, and as you can see, Zcash is in a little bit of a retracement. On a weekly base, we are losing the 21 EMA on a 55, and we are basing our price action under the 236, which is 126.65. If this week we can close above this, that would be great. We don't have to worry about the retracement to the 0.1, which is $80, where we have already found multiple areas of support. Here's 1, here's 2, here's 3, here's 4, here's 5, here's 6. And then maybe we go back to this level one more time, which is not something we should not be prepared for. But if we can find some support and the weekly can close above this 236, then I would expect us to test into the support, which is, the resistance, which is at 144, to see if we can close above it on the next weekly candle. If so, then we could look for the higher retracement to the 382, which is at 175. And then we can look to see if we can support it or not and get rejected to look for more support before we look higher. That is as of right now. If the weekly does close under this 236, which is 126.65, we can look for the retracement down to the lower levels, which is around $81, and we can see if we can find some support here and look for upside retracement after, due to the fact that we have found support here multiple times beforehand. So I'm going to zoom into the daily and we can look for it a little bit closer. On a daily time frame, we can see that we already lost the Bollinger Band and now we're testing in. We just need to make a new high. If we can close above this previous day's high, we can say that retracement is in action and we can look for higher levels such as 144. But that can only come if we have a daily close above 125. If we close under 125, the retracement to the downside will be most likely, and we can look for a layer of support starting at 115. And then if we lose 115, we can look for the support at our previous low at 109. Losing 109, these lower retracements will become active at $80 and so on. Let's go to the 4-hour to look at what's going on. On a 4-hour time scale, we are under all the EMAs. We are fighting the 21 and we are under the 21 as well as the fib. We immediately need to close here or above. We cannot lose 121. If we lose 121, we will be losing the middle of the Bollinger Band and it will be more likely we will test the lows again at 115. If we lose 115, the lower levels are active. Worst case scenario, we find support before 108 and bounce back up to retest this support at 125. If we don't close 4 hour candles above 125, we have no need to look for higher targets, and we should consider the lower targets as most likely due to the fact that they have the least amount of resistance. So that is Zcash on a quick review. We will follow up on this asset as you guys requested. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and press the bell button for notification for real-time updates, as well as if you have any questions or concerns as well as requests, please leave it in the comment section below and I will get back to you ASAP. Thank you so much, guys. Let's see how this 4-hour candle closes. If we can reclaim the 21, I would say look for higher targets. If we lose the 21 or close under the 21, let's look for these lower targets, first being the retest of the Bollinger Band bottom, which is 114, and then testing the last low, which is 108, and hoping we find support to retest the upside again. If we lose these levels on 4-hour closes, then you should be looking for these lower targets, which we have at $80 and under that, which is at 47. Aside from that, guys, I'll talk to you guys soon. Stay safe. If you have any questions or concerns, once again, don't forget to leave it on the bottom. I will get back to you ASAP. Thank you so much. Talk to you soon. Goodbye.